In line with the CBSE activity on first aid basics, today we organized a helpful first aid workshop led by Dr. M.S. Raja from MSR Multi-Speciality Hospital. Students from grades 9 to 12 took part in this hands-on workshop, learning important first aid skills. Dr. Raja and his team showed the students how to perform essential first aid techniques including CPR, wound care, and dealing with common medical emergencies like choking and fainting. The students practiced these techniques on live models which helped them understand and remember what they have learned. This workshop not only taught our students critical first aid knowledge but also highlighted the importance of teamwork and quick thinking in emergencies. The experience gave our students the confidence and skills to handle real life situations effectively.
Alright, who all are excited to learn first aid awareness? Here is the radial artery. Second, there is another artery called carotid artery. Radial artery. Then after, we need to check his airways, breathing, circulation. So, stop breathing. Okay. Stop breathing. So this is the life-saving method. So firstly, taking the right hand, folding the left, elbow in straight position, into the chest cavity, pressing 30 times. Don't compress hardly and don't compress lightly. Okay. Then after, neck light up and open the mouth. You can use any cloth. At this time, I am just using my hand. 2 times the air. Okay, wow. Not.